Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to send PDF file via Gmail in laptop. So let's start it. At first open your desktop in this video. Now you can see send PDF file in Gmail. Now I choose from Chrome browser. Now go and click from Chrome browser. Now you can see now open from Chrome browser, then we show the Gmail option. Now click from Gmail. Now you can see then show the new interface, and we show the send document in the PDF file. Now select from compose option. Now click, then we show the new interface, then we new message to and subject, then to the sender mail. Now mail address. Now I select from mail address. Now subject from PDF. Then we show the address file. Now for click. Now select from any PDF file. Now click from open option. Then we show the open PDF file. Now click from send option. That it's now you can see already sent from PDF the other's mail. That it's then we show send PDF file in Gmail is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.